Hello knowledge seekers, let's discuss about the process of oogenesis. Here, oo means ovum, which is also known as egg, and genesis means formation. So, we will discuss about the formation of the ovum. In this process, female gametes means eggs are produced in ovary from the oogonia cells. It begins in female before they are born, means during the period of gestation, when the mother carry embryo or fetus in the uterus until the birth. Now let's check from where these oogonia cells come from. During early development, the primordia germ cells, means primary germ cells, migrate into ovary and there they get differentiated into oogonia cells. Now, what is oogonia? It is a diploid cell which divides mitotically to produce millions of germ cells. From these millions of germ cells, few cells develop into a large primary oocyte. Then these primary oocytes enter into the meiosis I during fetal development and rest at the stage of prophase I. This division resumes when the female attains puberty. So, it is not completed until the puberty is not attained. During this arrested stage, each primary oocyte gets surrounded by a single layer of follicular cells. Hence, these covered primary oocyte with follicular cell layer is known as primordial follicle or primary follicle. Before the birth, this oocyte acquire a single layer of granulosa cells, which is known as primary follicle. Then it is covered by many layers of granulosa cells forming secondary follicle. Then it develops a fluid-filled cavity forming tertiary follicle. Now after birth, when the puberty attains, this primary oocyte completes its meiosis I to produce one polar body and one secondary oocyte. Now this secondary oocyte arrests at the metaphase II stage and get covered with zona pellucida layer. So the tertiary follicle mature to become Giraffian follicle. Then this Giraffian follicle ruptures at the surface, releasing the secondary oocyte. This process is also known as ovulation, in which the secondary oocyte is released from the Giraffian follicle. This released secondary oocyte triggered to complete meiosis II only when the sperm fertilizes it. After fertilization, this secondary oocyte asymmetrically divides to produce one more polar body and a mature egg, which is known as ovum. At the end, all the formed polar bodies gets degenerated. Now we know that ovum is a female gamete. It has three coverings. The outermost covering is corona radiata, the middle is zona pellucida, and the inner layer is vitelline membrane. This is the diagram showing all the divisions occurring in the oogonia cell to form secondary oocyte and polar bodies. Look here, this is the oogonia cell in which mitosis occurs to produce primary oocyte. Then meiosis I occur in this primary oocyte, which produce one polar body and one secondary oocyte. Then further meiosis II occurs in the secondary oocyte when the sperm fertilized it and forms one polar body and a zygote. On the other hand, the first polar body also divided to form two more polar bodies. So in the last, three polar bodies and one zygote is formed. Now it's time for MCQ. Question first. The second division of mammalian ovum occurs. We know that the second division is meiosis II, and it occurs only when the sperm gets penetrated into the ovum. So B is the right answer, until after the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm. Second question. Which one is released from ovary? The ovary releases secondary oocyte into the fallopian tube. So B is the right answer. Question third. At what stage of life is oogonium initiated in a human female? We know that the oogonium process initiated during the period of gestation when the fetal or embryonic development takes place. So B is the right answer, during embryonic development. Question fourth. During oogenesis, each diploid cell produces. We know that at last in the process of oogenesis, one egg and three polar bodies are formed. Last question. Layers of an ovum from outside to inside is: the outermost layer is corona radiata, the middle is zona pellucida, and the inner layer is vitelline membrane. So A is the right answer. Thank you.